Storybox Audio. 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 Storybox Audio.
फाइनली गाइस हम लोग पहुंच गए। तो एक्चुअली हम लोग उनको लेट हो गया था, जो गाइड होते हैं उनको लेट हो गया था, बिकॉज बीच में आप लोग ने देखा था लाइन का फुटेज, प्रॉपर लाइन का फुटेज, और एक जगह पे वो बीच में बैठ गए, तो देन बिकेम वेरी डिफिकल्ट ना टू कम बैक। हमको निकलते वक्त भी लेट हो गया था, बैटरी का इशू एज आई टोल्ड यू, तो उनको आते वक्त शायद लेट हो गया। दे चार्ज देम इफ़ दे डोंट कम बैक ऑन टाइम, लाइक बाय 9:45 दे डोंट कम बैक, these people they charge them or they suspend them for 15 days ऐसे कुछ. So not sure what happened. He said but मतलब उनको शायद कुछ बोला, but after that he said no, it might not be an issue. तो जो लास्ट में इतना हम लोग आए ना जल्दी बिकॉज लेट हो रहा था, इतना मिट्टी, मैंने मेरी गलती से बाल भी मेरे खुले थे. जस्ट लुक एट द स्टेट. This literally it is all धूल. So what we'll do is that we'll remove the jacket, dust mud off and dust it off, and then we'll go to the souvenir shop. So I'll show you all the souvenir shop. अभी मुझे यहाँ से भीड़ लग रही है. सुबह मैं गई थी but then that time nobody was there, but I was not carrying cash and card or anything. तो अभी जा रही हूँ, अभी हम लोग चलेंगे and it is kind of a bit crowded. So yeah, let's go and see the souvenir shop. There are a lot of options though. There are a lot of options. Let's see how, like, is it expensive or anything like that. So yeah, timings. One is in the morning, the one we went 6. Then there's one at 8:45. 8:30. Then the second one is at 2 o'clock. Now summers में March, April, May is the best time to come to Gir. Though it's not season time, it's the best time to come because you know summers animals like water is dried, then they come nearby to artificial lakes and all to drink water. So spotting बहुत अच्छा होता है summers में. And yeah, summers में timing थोड़ा change होता है. शाम जो 3 o'clock का है that becomes 4 o'clock. Morning अभी हम लोग जो निकलते हैं 6:45 को, वो 6 o'clock को निकलते हैं. And दोपहर का जो टाइम था रहता है वो सेम है. Now if you all want, there's a guest house also. I just read here there's a guest house also. Non-AC rooms are 1,000 rupees and AC rooms are 1,500, 3,000, 2,000, 3. Yeah, so AC rooms are 3,000 rupees and meals and all are also breakfast, lunch, this and all is mentioned. The prices and all are mentioned. So yeah, that's that. If you all want to stay here, that will be even better because जो transportation का भी ये अभी where we are staying, though it's like 15-20 kilometers, but ये रास्ते ऐसे होते हैं, जंगल का रास्ता होता है ना, तो आने में लेट हो जाता है. I think we left home at 4:30. आराम से आ रहे थे. हमको ऐसा लगा कि हमको यहाँ पे भी लायन दिख जाएगा, but ऐसा तो नहीं दिखा. So yeah, let's go to the souvenir shop. Let's remove this and then let's see what is there. Let's buy things for. पहुंच गए. तो yeah, I shall end this video here because now we'll just get ready. मतलब थोड़ा नहा धो के सुबह we didn't take shower and all, तो थोड़ा we'll just take shower and then eat something and then we leave for Ahmedabad now. So yeah, the last one was a treat. We saw the lion literally walk past us, and lioness rather. And yeah, that was the best thing. तो हाँ, सोवेनियर्स खरीद लिए. मैं वो अलग से एक ब्लॉग में दिखा दूँगी. ज़्यादा मैंने कुछ ख़रीदा नहीं है. कैप एंड खाने की चीज़ें ज़्यादा खरीदी. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. I hope you all liked it. If you all did, please give this video a thumbs up or like, share, subscribe to my channel. Ta-ta.